Last summer, Minnesota became the first state to enforce a widespread ban of non-compete agreements between employers and employees. However, this year, one of the bill's writers saw a loophole that permitted shadow non-compete agreements to remain legal. This ensures businesses cannot make agreements with one another to restrict a person's employment, and today that becomes law. Our Sananda McCall has more.
For some, if you've read the fine line inside of your employee contract in Minnesota, you may have come across a paragraph regarding the non-compete clause. And as of July 1st of 2024, that non-compete clause is no more. And in Minnesota, it was a first of its kind. In the last 5 years, other states had talked about prohibiting non-compete agreements based on worker wages. But in favor of job mobility, easing worker uncertainty, and strengthening the workforce, the North Star state is saying so long to that contract clause.
For a lot of businesses in general, when they have the non-compete in place, it's for a specific reason. It's to protect themselves, protect whether they have patents or designs, or if they have a really talented staff.
Lisa Ross is the owner of Elevate Marketing Solutions. Businesses such as hers in creative design spaces, as well as healthcare, sales, and tech, are where a majority of the non-compete clauses were found.
Non-compete is more about protecting the company from people duplicating or replicating some of the things that they're doing that maybe someone else isn't.
But Ross says her views are neutral on the ban.
Non-compete can protect the business, but yet it also has so many drawbacks for the employee. If they invest in their employees the way they should, I don't think that the non-compete would be a huge problem.
And many companies are now turning to non-disclosure agreements to protect confidential information. The Federal Trade Commission ruled that an official ban of the non-compete clauses will become effective this year as of September 4th. Sananda McCall, KIMT News 3.
The new Minnesota non-compete law only applies to post-termination non-compete agreements that were entered into on or after July 1st of 2023.